if you want to call it that. Sounds like it's right over me. At least it's not hailing in here. A lot of shit, though.
I am so glad we put up a tarp.
I'm so glad we built a fire instead of dinner. Hey, remember that time you added water to the recipe? Didn't need it. We had fresh hail. So as an amendment to this recipe, if you are about to add the 5 cups to 10 cups of water that we said you should, or probably should have said we should have, but didn't actually get to saying, and we gave you a large variable like 5 to 10 cups. Anyhow, amendment. If you need to substitute your liquid with fresh hail, then go ahead and do so, but boil your chili for 5 minutes afterwards. Thank you.